Alright, so now that you guys know which indicators you guys should be using and what to look out for, let's dive into some charts and give you guys some real examples. So I actually found a perfect example on ticker BFRI. And if you look over here on the 1 minute chart, you can see that we got the EMA 9 crossing over the VWAP with a confirmation of support on the EMA 9 that lines up with the 23.6. This is exactly what you guys want to be looking for. Now when this happens, you want to enter your trade as close as you can to the EMA 9 and risk off of the EMA 9. So let's say you entered here at about $11.46 and did not exit this trade until you broke below the EMA 9 and confirmed it as resistance. You would have been exiting at about $13.30. Look at another ticker here, guys. This one is a favorite on the Twitter social media platform, CEA. So if we plot our fibs from low of day to our current high of day, which is right about here, you can see that the EMA 9 crossed over the VWAP on the 38.2, confirmed as support, and the market rallied all the way to 92 cents. If we plot our fibs at the next high of day, you can see that the EMA 9 is lining up with the 23.6 level on the fibs, and the VWAP is telling you, hey, don't be afraid, we got some support down here at the 38.2%. So if you entered over here on the crossover when it confirmed as support, 82 cents, exited at about here, 92 cents, because why the hell not, you would have made some good money. You would have then seen market traded sideways, formed a little double top at the 92 cent area, and then declined. But if you can see right here, we still might have something to work with here on Monday. You can see here that we kind of formed a W. Zoom out, you can kind of see that W forming, and we are holding above the VWAP. So let's see what we got in store for Monday. Let's look at another example here. We got ticker EFOI, and if you plot your fibs the correct way for a gap up, which would be yesterday's close to the current high day, your chart would look something like this. You can see that we didn't quite get the crossover on the 23.6, but we do have the VWAP acting as support. We then get a bullish engulfing candle signaling a trend start for us, which is a bullish trend. So if we move our fib levels to the next high day, you can see that we got the EMA 9 crossover right on the 38.2, with the EMA 9 reaching over to the 23.6 and confirming as support. So if you entered right over here at $4.03 with a stop loss below $3.96, your stop loss would not have been hit, and the market would have rallied to a high of $4.29 before declining. Now this is actually a double for us. This is two examples in one. You see right here how the EMA 9 crossed below the VWAP and then confirmed it as resistance? This is a short signal. So if you went short right here at $4.05 when the EMA 9 crossed below the VWAP, you would have netted almost 30 cents in profit on a short. Not bad if you ask me. So last and perfect example here for you guys is going to be ticker BKKT, and if you plot your fibs the correct way on a gap down, it would be yesterday's close to today's current low of day, and this one is actually signaling a trend reversal. If you look at BKKT, you notice that we would be consolidating between the 38.2 level of the fibs and the 0% level. Fast forward later into the trading day, and you can see here that we got the EMA 9 times the VWAP crossover, with the EMA 9 and the VWAP both confirming as support. So let's say you entered here at $9.06, stop loss below the last known support at $8.97, you would have netted yourself $1 and some change in profits. But the point is, notice how we get the EMA 9 and VWAP crossover and the EMA 9 acts as support the whole trade. This is a signal telling you, hey, stay in this trade as this stock is making a clear decisive move to the upside. You fast forward into the day, you consolidate on the EMA 9, you don't quite break below it and start trading lower to the VWAP, so this is a bullish signal. This is also kind of a bear flag and a bull flag, multiple of them. Anyways, so you don't get out yet, your stop loss wasn't hit. You then get another bump with this bullish engulfing candle right through the previous high, created a new high a day, and rallied all the way to 1086. So if you entered at $9.06 with a stop loss below $8.97 and exited right about here, because why the hell not, that's almost $2 in profits using this strategy, guys. The strategy is real, the strategy works, I use it myself, and I hope you guys will start to use it too.